Okay, hey guys. So a lot of you have been asking, and I mean that, I'm not just saying that. A lot of people have been asking for my little hair routine, and usually I already have it done. So I figured I would film it today. We have a little bit of time and kind of give you guys the rundown. So excuse my oversized sweatshirt. I am totally in the fall feels. I got my coffee and I'll go over products and what I use first and then kind of explain it. So I use a Mod Podge of things. Today I'm going to be using this really cheap, swear it's cheap, I like it. It's the Conair. I get it at Target. I think you can get it at Walgreens, pretty much anywhere. Use this guy, I think we said it's a 1.5. I believe it's like 20 some dollars, Conair, super great. It just doesn't hold a whole lot, so if you want more of like that wavy look, that's a great one. But my go-to, and has been since literally my good old pageant days, you guys, this is a Hot Tools ceramic. I swear by ceramic. So I think ceramic in general holds your hair a lot better. This one is burning right now. And I go all the way up, I'm gonna turn it down today. But this is a ceramic, I think 1 1/4. And this size works for short hair. I've had collarbone length, this size works for all of it. So I'll show you guys both. I usually spray my hair before with texturizing spray. This is the Matrix one, Texture Builder. It's a really good one. I just shake it up, take my hair, and just kind of throw it in. I like to put it in before, so it just kind of gives it a little bit to stick onto. And then I'll use, I love Sebastian hairspray, you guys. This is the lightweight one. It comes in a white bottle you can get at Target. This is the black one. So let's get into it. So I usually start, it's kind of weird. I go at like an angle and I separate this part first and leave down my bangs and then start with this section. So I'll pin back this guy. I have my little clip. So you can pin this one back, maybe not. Pin this one back, maybe not. Oops. See if it stays. So pin that side back, start with this area, and I just do the whole thing, you guys. Start in about 1-inch sections and then just go for it. So starting kind of high up, bring it down, and then halfway start to curl away from your face. And then I leave out the ends, and then I bring it down, leave about 1 inch, 1.5 inches out, and then come all the way up and let it kind of sit. And then I bring it a little bit more down, leaving that end out, and then just let it fall. So that gives you that really beachy end. And it works with short and long hair. So about 1 inch piece, same thing, just warm it up and then start to curl away from your face. And I leave about that much out because I feel like this part of my hair is thicker and it needs a little bit more of that like time to process. And sometimes I'll bring it down and then just curl it in like that. So, and at the end we can come back and kind of like fix it up. But that's pretty much the look. So you don't want to be too like precise with it. Is that the right word? Precise? Yeah, precise. Perfect. Because it's not meant to be like the perfect look. Plus at the end, it'll all come together. So don't worry if you miss a piece. It's gonna be okay. It's hot in here. Yeah. Okay, so I got about 2 pieces left. This really, you guys, does not take long at all. And then this piece, leave that last underneath piece. And hold. This one gets hot. I also, side note, I never blow dry my hair. I always put product in at night, let it air dry, and then put a little bit of dry shampoo in the morning, and that is it. Okay, so this is what you have. I then bring down this piece, and you'll have about 3 pieces in this section, so I separate my bangs from, or like the front pieces from the little diagonal, and then I do this part, bring it all the way up towards your head. I gotta get everything in there. Okay, bring everything up towards your head. Bring it down, hold it. Oops, here we go. And when you bring it down and like let it go like that and then bring it back up, you're gonna get more of a textured wave. So you have that longer curl, if you guys can see that. So it has a little bit longer curl than the rest, which I like to have around my face because you want to frame your face. So this one, like I said, there's about 3 pieces left. on this side. I feel like this takes longer explaining than it does actually doing. This piece, about 1 inch, I go at a diagonal with it, come in, and then always make sure that you're going away from your face, because if you go in towards your face, you're gonna get a really weird look. Okay, so do not touch it. Once it's like this, you guys leave it. You're gonna do your other side, which here we're gonna fast forward because there's no need to watch this side too. Okay, so bring my chair back up. So then now you have this like ringlet situation going on. So you're gonna texturize spray it again. Look for any of those weird spots that may be straight. Spray that texturizing spray in there. Gonna separate. Give it a good shake, and then if you really want to get specific, I always like to bring these pieces forward. Kind of finger through it, and then like here I'll kind of get some straight ones. So I'll actually go in with my other curling iron. I'm crazy. And I'll just make them a little bit tighter, and same thing. So I just bring it in just to piece it out a little bit more and really get that like beachy look, and just pull it down. Get that one, this little one. And that's just me being extra. I mean, you don't have to like clear. You don't have to do that, but I just like one of my preferences. I think it just gives it a little bit something to hold on to. Okay. So, here's what we have. And then once we have it everywhere we want, we take this little IGK. You can get that Sephora volumizing texture spray. And again, same thing. I think I'm almost out though. I'm more of like a texture person than I am a hairspray person, so I like to get the texture right before I hairspray. So like here we have a little funky guy going on. So I'll actually just go this way with it. My bang pieces never want to cooperate. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Okay. And then a little bit more. Okay, so once we have it where we want it, I never really brush through it until later on in the day. I always just like to finger through it, get it where I want it, and then I take my hairspray. And really the hairspray is just for like those flyaways, and then just to give it a little bit of body, but I don't use it. Like hairspray literally lasts me for years, you guys. I don't use much of it. I'm not a big hairspray person. I don't think it actually holds your curls. I think it helps your flyaways and just any of those little pieces. So there it is. That's all you gotta do. So let us know if you guys have any questions. That is as simple as it gets. I almost just showed the entire desk of me hiding my stuff. Here's the nice area. You guys don't need to see that part. But yeah, make sure to like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know if you guys want more of these. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. Bye.